yeah, it's blinking really quick. Oh, the rear signal is not working. What, the front? Yeah, the front is working, but it's flashing really quick. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I'm riding my R1. It's been a while since I vlogged on my R1, and lately I've been enjoying a lot with my R1. It's not the fastest bike like the Kawasaki H2, but it's still a pretty fast bike in Singapore. So the thing which I've done recently, like the stock mirror delete with the binary mirrors, the blackout windshield, and also the new pin work, I would say my bike, it looks really awesome. Yeah, I have been riding my R1 for about 10 months. It's really a fast bike and I've been enjoying a lot. So today, right now, I'm heading to the hardware shop to get some bolts for my helmet camera to get rid of the big knob adjuster. So by getting rid of the massive adjuster, it will make my camera setup look a bit more neater, I would say. But of course, the convenience of having an adjuster, you're able to adjust the angle of the camera by loosening the adjuster. So once you replace the adjuster with the bolt, you won't be able to adjust the angle of the camera. Actually, you are able to adjust the angle. You just have to use the Allen key to loosen the bolt, and then you are able to adjust the arm of the camera. Alright, so I'm about to reach. Oh, why is my signal blinking so fast? Yeah, it's flashing really quick. Damn, there's no space for me to park. Over here, they are pretty, strict with the parking enforcement. So you can't really, stop your bike anywhere around this area. Let's make another round. Yep, so can you guys see? It's flashing really quick. I'm not sure whether the bulb is blown or there's some issues with the wiring. I think probably just here beside the bin, because I'll be quick. Right beside the bin. Yep, so this is the place where I always buy my bolts and nuts for my car, for my bike. I'm not sure whether this guy, he want to reverse. Let me push my bike backward a bit. So right now, let's hit in to get my boots. Right, so I've gotten my boats. So this is the one which came with the camera, and this is the adjuster. So I'm going to replace this with the boats, and this will make the whole camera setup look much more neater. Let's push my bike to the front. So earlier on, the signal flashes really fast. I'm not sure why. Signal left. Yeah, the left is okay. And right. Yeah, it's blinking really quick. Oh, the rear signal is not working. What about the front? Yeah, the front is working, but it's flashing really quick. Not sure whether the bulb is blown or there's some issues with the wiring. Damn. Okay, right now let's head back home. Ooh, the exhaust is rumbling. Oh, sound really nice. Of course, you won't be hearing it on the BMW S1000RR, the R6, the CBR 1000RR, and the Suzuki Jigsaw, because of the engine. It's an inline 4 engine. Only Yamaha R1 has the cross plane engine. Alright guys, so I've made it back, and earlier on my right signal is not working. Right now, let me turn it on and show you guys. Yep, the signal light is blinking really fast. This is the front, and at the rear it's not working. Not sure what really happened. It might be the bulb, it might be the wiring issue. So right now I'm going to dismantle this signal assembly, and there's a screw at the bottom. I think it's a Phillips head screw. So I'll be removing the screw, and then I'll dismantle the whole assembly to see what really happened to the signal. Alright guys, so I have dismantled the whole signal assembly, and this is the signal bulb. The filaments looks perfectly fine, it's not broken, but just that the internal component of the signal assembly is very rusty. So this is the spring for the bulb, is rusted. So I believe the wiring has also rusted. So that's the reason why it has broke off from the bulb connector. So I'll be removing the end part of the wire, and then I will connect a longer and newer wire to the signal wiring. Alright guys, so I've fixed my signal light by redoing the wiring and also the connection in the signal assembly. So right now let's turn on the bike to test to make sure it works. Yeah, my signal light is working fine now, but the right signal is a bit dim. Probably the filament in the bulb is going to break soon, so I need to change the bulb soon. So being the fact that this is a 9 years old bike, so some of the parts has rusted and also corroded. So just by doing this by myself, I saved myself about $20 for the signal light replacement. There are things which you can do by yourself. If you know how to do it, that will save you a lot of money. And I'm also thinking whether to install the aftermarket small signal, because the aftermarket small signal will make my bike look more sleek and also nice, but the annual inspection will be an issue. So for those of you who are watching this video, if you have any recommendation for the signal light, you can DM on my IG or you can comment down below. Let me know what kind of signal is suitable for my bike. I find that the stock signal from Yamaha is pretty big and bulky, so something small will make my bike look a lot nicer. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and also help you guys out if you guys are facing the same issues like me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, ride safe, and bye!